Good morning to you, good afternoon, and good evening, no matter where you are watching from. Once again, I send my greetings to you. Welcome to biology class. My name is Jerome Otiti. Let's go to the biology class. Lesson outline on the topic recognizing living things. At the end of this lesson, the student should be able to know what is biology, state at least 3 branches of biology, explain science, and at least state 3 usefulness. Biology is the study of life. It is derived or is coined from a Greek word, two Greek words, bios, which means life, and logos, which means to study or knowledge. Therefore, biology studies plants and animals. The branches of biology, we have 2 major branches, botany and zoology. We have others such as microbiology, embryology, ecology, and genetics. There are several branches. But in this lesson, we are going to botany. Botany study plants, while zoology study animals. Microbiology study microbes. In other words, it study microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria. Embryology, embryo, from the word embryo, is study the developmental stages of animal and the embryo. Genetics is the study of gene in living organisms. Gene simply means the basic unit of inheritance. So genetics explain hereditary and variation in plant and animal. In heredity, we're talking about the similarities, while in variation, we're talking about variations, that is the differences that occur among organisms of the same species in a population. Biotechnology is the application of scientific knowledge and engineering principles to produce useful or beneficial products for humans and society, examples such as vaccine. Morphology is a branch of biology that studies the external features of plants and animals. Anatomy studies the external structure, study the internal structure. Morphology and anatomy are the same. Morphology studies the external, while anatomy studies the internal structure of plants and animals. Physiology studies how the structures of plant and animal function. For example, how does the kidney function? How does the liver functions? These are what we know as physiology. Why do we study biology? To study nature, to understand life or environment, to understand plant and animal in general, to apply the knowledge of biological principles, the biological process to solve human problem. It also helps to understand the history of ancestral form. Definitions and usefulness of science. Science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means to know. So therefore, science is the systematic process of making inquiry about living and non-living things in our environment. Someone that studies science is called scientist. So scientists study what? Science. Usefulness of science. In other words, the importance of science. Science is useful in medicine, treatment of terrible diseases. Drugs and vaccines have been produced through the knowledge of science. Manufacturing industries have produced useful products through the application of science. Constructions, road, bridges, airport, railways, all are from science. Engineering, production of bridges, skyscraper, through the knowledge of science. In agriculture, to produce fertilizer for agricultural improvement, technology, production of AI, robots. In communication have become effective through the knowledge of science, cell phones, television, and radio. In transportation, airplanes, ships, cars, and rockets have been useful through the application of science. The science here is talking about both physics, chemistry, and biology, the three major branches of science, of natural science. Lesson evaluations. So you need to understand this, to know whether you understand this topic. The study of plant and animal is called state 4 branches of biology. state for usefulness of science to man. Drop your question and answer in the comment section. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening. Bye.